Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix couldn't send messages on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on flight mode. And after that wait for a few seconds and turn it back off, and then go back to your home screen and open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here open messages and go to the storage of messages. Now in the storage of messages click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of messages app. Now after doing this, go back to settings. Now in settings click on general management, and now in general management scroll down and here click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings, it will reset all your mobile network settings. So after doing this, your message problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.